This is Pirate Stomp left hand. So here is middle C. You start below that with your little finger on D and your thumb on A. So we play this as a chord, 5 and 1 at the same time. Then you bounce it twice. Same again. Same again. This time we hop down 1 notch to C and G. Stay there. Come back up. Hold for 2 counts. Come off. Go down 1 notch. C and G. B flat and F. Off. A and E. Down again. Hold for 2. Up. Hold for 2. There's a rest. Reset back to D and A. Bounce and hold. I'm going to play that without talking with the right speed.